Set, go! I can't be sure. We'll have to go back over our recording. Back on your mark. On your mark. Come here, Zach. Go! Boy. Okay, the first one to touch my big tummy with baby 4 in it wins, okay? Head back to the fireplace. Heels back. On your mark. Get set. Go! Sierra did it. What do you think, Jack? Do you like it?
I think that little one. I need to switch back into my old one. Yeah.